Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a new hymn, Come Let Us Join Our Friends Above, words from Charles Wesley and English melody from Vaughan Williams. So we're going to play in the key of C. These are the chords that we need. The C chord, F chord, G chord, A minor, and D minor. Let's play through the first verse once through slowly. The song is in a duple quadruple time. We'll be just using the down, down, up as the strumming pad. Come, let us join our friends above who have obtained the prize, and on the eagle wings of love to joy celestial rise. Let saints on earth unite to sing with those to glory gone. For all the servants of our King in earth and heaven are one. Now grab your song sheets and we'll play through all 4 verses once through. Again, you can download the song sheet from the link below. Come, let us join our friends above who have obtained the prize, and on the eagle wings of love to joy celestial rise. Let saints on earth unite to sing with those to glory gone. For all the servants of our King in earth and heaven are one. One family we dwell in Him, one church above beneath. Though now divided by the stream, the narrow stream of death, one army of the living God, to His command we bow. Part of His host have crossed the flood, and part are crossing now. 10,000 to their endless home this solemn moment fly, and we are to the margin come, and we expect to die. Even now by faith we join our hands with those that went before, and greet the blood besprinkled band on the eternal shore. Our spirits too shall quickly join, like as with glory crowned, and shout to see our captain sign, to hear his trumpet sound. Oh, that we now might grasp our guide, oh, that the word were gay. Come, Lord of hosts, the waves divide, and land us all in heaven. And that was a lively hymn from Charles Wesley to the tune of Vaughan Williams. Hope you enjoy learning it as much as I did. See you next time.